Hello, tonight I'll be unboxing Dreamcatcher Kihnos KiT albums. Even though The End of Nightmare and Alone in the City are technically older albums, the Kihnos versions are completely new and almost entirely random releases. And apparently these are also lottery tickets for an upcoming face-to-face fan sign with Dreamcatcher happening sometime next month, which is, in my opinion, not the best and not the safest idea considering the current situation, but it is a thing and it's happening. The Kihnos are always a bit more expensive due to the fact that only one can be shipped per package because of their internal battery, so you're basically paying shipping twice. But I looked through all the website and feel they kind of give you the option to buy two in one order, but I trusted KiT for you delivery speed, so I paid $2 extra to guarantee that it arrives here quickly, and it did. So let's get back to the unboxing. So I'm gonna start with The End of Nightmare, which is PD era. Last time Dreamcatcher had a Kihnos album was Rate of Dream, and they had different photos compared to the original album, so I'm hoping for the same for these two. Good postcard. This one looked very similar to their one of their posters for the original album release. Instructions on how to use the Kihnos. Okay, so these are like, they're not postcard size, but they're also not photo card size, and they're glossy material. It's actually pretty nice material. They're not really standard. So we have Minji. Looks like we have 3 for each member. Laura. Jian. This one specifically is very similar or almost exactly the same as the photo cards they have for one of the tour. And Yuhyun. Dami. But this one's nice. Oh, this one's nicer. Gahyun. This gives me kind of like a Sky Castle vibe. Oh, I haven't seen this one before. And this one is also similar to the original poster release. Okay, so the next one is Alone in the City. This is what era? This is exactly like the poster from the original release. Cool. Well, we're starting with Dami? Okay. These are actually one of my favorite concept of theirs. It's so nice. And I only recently found now, because I went back to look, like watch their behind shooting, that the little shine right there, some of it is actually just a big LED screen, LED TV screen that they set up and use as a background. This is so nice. Which is a really creative way to do a photo shoot. Just gonna put these here. I love them. Wow. These are really nice close-up shots. I can't even talk anymore. It's a very flushed pink effect. Wow. This is nice. Oh, I like this so much better than the other one. They're both great, but this is just like their Alone in the City is definitely one of my favorite concepts. It looks like they didn't do much on this photo shoot though. They didn't print this one out. Keep losing focus. Thank you all for watching this unboxing, and until next time, good night.